welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Sam, and thank you for joining us. Don't forget to press the subscribe and like button down below. I love reading y'all's comments, and hopefully I'll get some about some of these products and what y'all's reactions are if you've tried them or not. So by the end of the video, I hope to see y'all comment down about all that stuff. But today, I have partnered with Her Campus Media, and Her Campus sent me a care package for studying from home. So I used this care package when I was in my finals of college, and I wanted to share it with you. So this care package is, of course, called Study from Home, partnering with Her Campus Media, and I'm going to be talking about 7 different brands. I'm just reading off the note card. Can't remember all this stuff. So the first one is Her Campus. So Her Campus is a magazine, and they have writers from different chapters, and the chapters are basically different branches from all different colleges, and we all come together and we write articles. And I was part of the DESU chapter, and I was part of it for 4 years. But we could write about anything from traveling to like relationship advice, entertainment, and basically anything. What's unique about this magazine is not only can you write about anything, but it's also all powered by college people. They could be males, females, whoever. And then some interesting sections y'all should totally check out is in the 20s. So it's about people writing about experiences they've had in their 20s. There's also a high schooler section, because we do have high school ambassadors. And then post-graduation, which is also super cool. And then there's also My Campus, which is personal stories about the writers. And I'm really going to miss this organization because I am graduated. So I'll be posting this video after I officially graduated from college. So I'm definitely going to miss this organization. Y'all should totally check it out and become involved with your chapter. Or if they don't have a chapter at your campus, then create one, because it's definitely worth it and you get a lot of experiences from it. So that was Her Campus. And then the first actual brand that we're going to be talking about is Innisfree. And so they sent me this Innisfree Pore Clearing Clay Mask 2X with Super Volcanic Clusters. And this is a wash-off mask. Hopefully y'all were able to see that. But what's super funny is I actually did a review on this because I've gotten this product before from a different care package. And that is in the wearing my mom's clothes from her closet for a week. It's kind of like a really long vlog, and this video is probably going to turn into a longer video because I'm also doing the review, but this is what it looks like. It's a creamy mixture, and it feels really good on your face. But I will be reviewing this product again for those of you who did not watch that video. So stay tuned until the end to watch me review all these products. And so the next brand is the RX Bar. So RX Bar are healthy granola bars, and they actually taste not that bad. In one of my videos, y'all saw that I didn't like them before, but that's when I didn't try different flavors. So today I'll be testing out the blueberry flavor. And all the ingredients in this bar is natural. It's good for raising your energy. If you're feeling sluggish or fatigued, this definitely helps. And the ingredients are 3 egg whites, 6 almonds, 4 cashews, and 2 dates. And hopefully it tastes like blueberry, and it's also a protein bar. And it's gluten-free, so I can have it, guys. Whoop, whoop. And the next brand is Bumble. So for Bumble, they gave me this water bottle. Y'all know I love water bottles. I work out. I make a lot of workout videos for y'all recently, and I love how they gave me a water bottle because it reminds me not only of the app, but it also reminds me to stay hydrated during this time, because when I was taking finals, I would just forget to eat and drink things. So luckily, they gave me the granola bar during it, and this water bottle, because I was actually filling up my other water bottle that I was using at the time, and I was eating my skinny bar, granola bars, so, because I wanted to save this stuff to do the review. But I really like this water bottle. It's like thick plastic, so I love the quality. And also, Bumble is an application that you could get on your phone, but it is known for dating, but it's not only for that. It's also to meet your new BFF and to network for jobs. And I got the app to prove that to you. So, when you first open the application, you do register. You have to register for it. You can register it through your Facebook. Then you create your profile, just like every other site, and you put your bio, but it allows you to answer different questions. And then put your preferences on location. And what is really unique about this site compared to all the other ones is that I've tested is that Bumble, you could at the same time be networking while also having your BFF profile up, which is super cool. So the one that I tested was the BFF, because I always like making new friends. Like, who doesn't? Especially in this time, you still have to be social. So what you do is you swipe yes or no. They have their bio, the questions they answer, photos. It's linked to their Instagram and Spotify if you choose to do so. And then what's interesting is you have 24 hours if you match. You have 24 hours to send a first message. Then they have 24 hours. And then you start a connection. And that's when the conversation starts. But that's when, after those first 2 messages, the 24-hour trial thing ends. So I think it's really interesting. I've met some super cool people so far. And as I'm explaining this, it's probably going to be right here, so y'all can see what I'm talking about. And yeah, definitely go check out Bumble. Like I said, you can meet your new BFF on there, network, or if you're looking to be in a relationship, that is there too. So I'm actually following, like, I'm always on Bumble now because it's just so cool and stuff. So definitely go check that out. And the people are verified, so you know you're not being catfished. It's important information. So the next brand is CoverGirl, and we all are familiar with CoverGirl. I use a lot of their products. And in the care package, there is this Lash Blast Fusion Mascara, and it's waterproof mascara. This is 885 Very Black, and it's up to 10x volume and length. I actually have not used this one out of all the products I've had. This is what it is. Not used this one before. So it's a perfect fusion of the iconic Lash Blast Super Volumizing Brush and a buildable fiber stretch lengthening formula works together for incredibly long, bold lashes. So I'm excited to try using this. I have so much mascaras I have to do a review on, but this one's definitely next in line, and maybe it'll end up in my monthly favorites videos. Who knows? But CoverGirl has a lot of cosmetics like that. They also have like concealer, blush, contour palettes, lipsticks, lip glosses, everything you need. And it's for an affordable price, and it's actually a really good quality for being a affordable makeup brand. So definitely go check it out. You can find it in like Wally World, Sephora, Target, aka Target, just everywhere. It's really interesting, except for the dollar store. Don't check there. So next is Azo. I've been getting the most questions about Azo, and Azo sent me the Hormonal Health Happy Cycle. Great for when you're doing finals or in general. It's about something you use. It's a product you use when you're on your period. And it's a daily approach to support positive mood all month long. Helps helps relieve irritability, bloating, and cramping. And the flavors in this one is Chasteberry Blend and Ashwagandha. I think that's how you say it, Ashwagandha. This is what it looks like, just so y'all can get like a little close up. So, it's the proactive way to address those annoying symptoms that occur before and during your period. That can leave you feeling less than your best, be on your way to a happier cycle with a drug-free foundation to support hormonal balance and help manage the symptoms brought on by your monthly cycle. It's formulated with a chasteberry and nutrient blend plus ashwagandha. When taken daily, it helps support positive mood, daily stress, it helps reduce your stress basically. Cramping and bloating relief for those of you who have that. And it helps keep a regular and constant cycle. So, for all of y'all in relationships, get this and hopefully it'll make your significant other not stress out when you're in your bipolar moods. So, I definitely can't wait to do a trial of that one, because like I've said, y'all sent the most comments on that on my Instagram, and I really want to see if it works. So the last brand I'm going to be talking about is Garnier, and I talk about Garnier a lot. This time they sent me products not relating to hair masks. We all know that one was a total fail. In the same video of a week in my life using clothes from my mom's closet, that's in there. But they sent me the Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. It's an all-in-one. It removes makeup, cleanses, and refreshes. And micellar water is actually really popular right now. Oh, too close to camera. It's really popular right now. So this is the first one. And then they sent me the same thing, but in a gel. So that's really interesting to test out the two. And whether I like the water or the gel better. I guess it all depends on what people like. So this is the Micellar Foaming Gel Cleanser. It does the same exact things as the water. And it's good for sensitive skin and all types of skin. And the last thing they sent me was the Micellar Cleansing Water all-in-one. But this is for removing waterproof makeup. And it's good for all skin types and even sensitive skin. Alright, so this was the entire care package. So now that I'm finished showing y'all everything, I think it's time to review it and see what these products do and see if they work. So how this is, I'm actually going to be reviewing these products over a week period. So you are going to see different clothes. Just want to give y'all a heads up. But, because like I said, the Azo you take once a day, so you can't figure out, review it in a day. You have to see the progress of that one. And the micellar too, you can't use it all in one day. And also the clay mask I'll be using twice this week.